Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video I will be cooking some enchiladas verdes. So I will tell you guys the ingredients for today that you guys are gonna need. So you need some queso fresco, de lo desboloné, so I got lazy. Need some crema. Okay, I use la crema salvadoreña from La Vaquita. It's so good. And you need some lettuce, and you need some chicken breast. Ya lo cocí, so yeah. Nomás tengo que, how do you say that? Like, forget it. I don't know how you say it. And some cilantro, and you need some tortillas. So yeah, that's it. And okay. So I have the chiles here for the salsa. You need tomatillos, the green ones, y chiles serranos. So I'm gonna put them in the licuadora to make the green sauce. So you have to try to make a lot of green sauce because some enchiladas could be bomb. Then from the same water que cociste los chiles and the tomatoes, le vas a echar agua, like that much. And you're also gonna put like that much of cilantro, and I like to put the salt afterwards. So you just put it soda and you blend. Oops. It smells spicy. Baby, can you give me that thing I can't reach? Okay, pour the sauce in a bowl. And there goes your green salsa. Then I like to clean the rest of the sauce with a little bit of water. And then you just throw it in there. So then this is how I do the chicken, like, so it could be ready faster. I get 2 forks and then I grabbed it and then just go like this. I think it's faster if you do it this way than doing it with your hands. Oops. Sorry. I should be doing the same thing for all of them until you're done. You guys, my husband dropped the oil. How you feel, baby? How you feel after dropping the oil? Anyways, so that's the green sauce. Guys, it's so good. Alexa, play Bad Bunny.
Shuffling songs by Bad Bunny on Amazon Music.
So this is the chicken, the lettuce, the sour cream, and the cheese. And the tortillas are right there. So you apply a little bit of oil. Oh shit, that was a lot. And you get the tortillas and you just like, that's how we like it. So if you guys don't want to put oil and you just want to put the tortillas like that, yeah, can, but this is how we like it, and they're so good like this. Maybe you can give me a plate. And a plate. So then I'm gonna show you guys how you get them ready. So you get a tortilla, chicken, Alexa, volume down. Go like that. Oops. And then you get the green sauce. Put it all over the enchiladas. You can also make some white rice. I forgot to buy some, so that's why I didn't make any. Just put the lettuce. And then forgot to get a spoon. You get the cheese. And the cream. And the enchiladas are ready. That's how the green enchiladas will look. It's so good. And ladies, cook this enchiladas for your husband. Ahora sí, para que no digan que no les hacen de comer. So when they get home from work, you know, they will eat this bomb ass enchiladas verdes. Right, baby?
I don't know, I haven't tried.
Let me see, let me get your reaction. So yeah, you guys, the enchiladas are ready. Guys, I hope are they good? Yes. I had to go because I need to take some pictures of my baby. She turns 5 months today. I want to do like a little photo shoot section for her. Like, since it's Easter, I bought this big old little pollito for her so I can take pictures, but I had to go buy a little Easter basket and eggs because that's what I wanted to do. So yeah, you guys, I'm so excited for you guys to see this video. I'll be cooking more. Probably I'll make some fajita tacos or pastor, or some pozole verde, or I don't know, something else, but I'll be cooking more for you guys so you guys can see all this. I'm not having a good hair day today. So you see guys, my husband already almost finished them. He was hungry, so he was waiting for me, but I needed someone to take care of my baby because she kept wanting to be with me. So yeah, I had to wait for my suegra to get here so she could take care of her. My husband could help me record, and he did. So I can't believe he threw the oil. Okay, well. Alright guys, well this is the end of my video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for next video. I'll probably be recording it on Wednesday. I don't think I have time to do it tomorrow. I have some stuff to do. But yeah, stay tuned for my next video. And don't forget to take pictures of it if you end up cooking the enchiladas. And make sure you tag me and comment down below if you like this video. Or comment anything, comment any other challenge or prank or any other video that you would like for me to do, and I'll do it. Bye guys. What are you doing?